this video, we are going to see how we can generate some random images for our designs. Let's say if I want to generate any special image, like I want to create an image of a horse wearing a hat. I've specified it here. So let's see what it suggests. Now it's totally different. Let's try another thing. I don't know why it showed like this. So I've specified here again, create a pop art image of a lion wearing sunglasses. So let's try this. And here also we can see that it is relating it with the past commands. So I need to reset it maybe. And now it's working fine. It has created some images of the lion wearing sunglasses. Now I have given some random command as well here. Create an image of flying civic car. So let's hit enter and let's see what it creates. So this is looking nice, guys. You can use this in your designs in your YouTube channel. Let's say if you want to create some attractive logos, this is it. So if you want to download any of these images, you can just go here and simply download this from here and you are good to go. Now let's generate some last example. Here I'll specify more commands that let's say if I want to create the videos that you see nowadays on the YouTube shorts, let's say I want to create or generate some images on that. So I mentioned here, create an image of a sad girl sitting in the forest. So let's see what it creates. So guys, as we can see that it is good in generating images which doesn't involve the text or brand names or business names. It is good in generating the random images. You can specify more if you want to mention a real girl of. You can specify anything like use real life person's face, and let's see how it adjusts that, because this one is animated. So now we can see that it has generated some images, although you can improve this by giving commands, and you can write that specified prompts. If you are specifying it in much detail and it's generating the right images for you, you can just copy and paste that prompts so that you can use it every time in future and it will generate the perfect results for you. And that is the job of the prompt engineers. They are expert in giving these kind of prompts to generate the accurate results from Copilot. So guys, in this way, you can generate some awesome random images using the Copilot free version. So just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.